Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I officially did it. I pre-ordered the Galaxy S23, and in this video I'm going to explain why and why you should as well. And I'll probably throw up like a screenshot right here in post-editing to show I actually did this, and I'm not making this up. I actually got a request from a fan today to do a comparison between the Galaxy S22 and Pixel 7, and I was thinking, let's extend that, since I don't have the S22, let's extend that to S23 because the Pixel 7 takes such good quality photos, so let's compare that to Samsung's device as well. But that's not the only reason why I want to get this device. I guess I've been using Apple for around, I think it's 6 months now, and it's just like, the same thing is happening with this Apple experience as when I used to have an iPhone, and it's just the fact that it's like, Apple's devices just get so boring after a while using them, and it's because it just does everything so well, but nothing crazy well. Like, it doesn't have any standout features that make buying this better than another device. And I like how Android specific models come with certain aspects or certain functions that or certain hardware functions that can just like do so many crazy different things, and like each Android has its own, like specialty essentially. Like some has crazy zoom, some has like crazy 4K displays, some has like crazy fast charging. Like they just all have like unique features, and I really like that about Android. And I'll bring up Pixel 6a in this video as well to do this sort of comparison which I'm discussing. And I think with Samsung's new S23, it's kind of like sparking that love for Android again, or it's like revisiting that love for Android, and like better battery life, better chip, better cameras, hopefully a update to One UI. I know they just dropped One UI 5.0, so they might make it like 5.1 coming to the new devices, and maybe upgrade all the other Samsung devices to 5.0. They usually do that in the past, but yeah, I'm really excited for this phone coming out. I want to get it in my hand, want to test it, compare it to other devices I own currently, like my iPhone 13, my Google Pixel 6a, my Pixel 7. Like, I want to like actually, compare these devices and recommend devices for you, the viewer, and like let you guys know which I think is the best and which one you should actually pick up. And they're all great options, I'll say that right now. They're all great options. You can't really go wrong with any of these devices. They're the cream of the crop when it comes to smartphones, and you can't really go wrong, like as I said. So yeah, Samsung, amazing company, great pre-order sales. Maybe I'll link I don't know when this video is going to come out, but like, go pre-order yours now. And you'll get, not only if you pre-order, but you also, if you reserve your device, you get $50 Samsung credit on top of that. So they're really pushing for you guys to go like pick up one of these devices, get it in your hand, and fall in love with Samsung for the future. So that's a little bit about why I think you should go pick up the S23. My opinion, there's going to be a lot of upgrades here. And the S23 Ultra, I think, is the one most people are excited for, because it's probably going to be coming with an S Pen, and like going to be an upgrade to the Note series once again, similar to the S22 Ultra. So hopefully the battery issues are fixed. Hopefully Samsung gets that in order. Hopefully the display is amazing as well. And it's sad to, think about leaving Apple and stuff like that with iMessage and FaceTime. But honestly, I think that's the point of a tech reviewer, is to try all different types of things and let the audience know what they should go pick up. I feel like that's being lost with a lot of tech reviewers these days in terms, and I've talked about this a lot, how it's just, they list spec, B-roll, fancy B-roll, 4K B-roll shot on these crazy cameras. And at the end of the day, they should be telling you straight up, do you think you should buy this thing? Tech reviewers they're fortunate enough to get this stuff in hand, not only because they can they have the money to buy this if the company doesn't send it to them, or two, the company actually sends it to them for free. The average person doesn't have that luxury, and they actually have to go out and spend their hard-earned cash on this stuff. I myself have the ability to purchase some of this stuff, not all, but I do have the ability to purchase some of this stuff. So I thought I'd, use that capability in order to promote tech that I think you guys should actually go purchase out there. I think that's the point of this channel, and I think it resonates a lot with the audience. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and go pre-order the Galaxy S23. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Peace out. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel, and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.